friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with 10 lovely Women's Day card idea. So this is a gift card idea and this is super easy to make and women loves gift and surprises, right? So this is a perfume gift card. See how beautiful and elegant this card is. This one is also gift card and last minute gift card idea. This is you can gift in the nail paint. You can also gift your lipsticks also because women love this kind of gifts, and this is last minute gift idea. This one is also a gift card and see the pom-pom, how lovely this looks, and this is also super easy to make. You can keep your anything as a gift. I have kept your earrings and I have already shared the video, and you can also write the sentiments in this tags. You are classy and fabulous. See how beautiful these wordings are. This is 3D8 and this card can be made by kids also. This is that easy and simple. This one is again elegant with a paper. I have created this dress and with a foam sheet, a sandal. So this is also a lovely card. This one is elegant card and I just love it. See how beautiful this look with just cardstock paper and some sequences. That's it, what we need for this card. This one is again a super easy card. Even kids can make for their moms. So kids out there, check it out, this card. This one is super easy card and budgeted also. With a newspaper I have created this beautiful frock. I just love this card, how the 8 comes out in a 3D form. I just love it. This one is my favorite with a fluorescent pink color. Happy 8 March Women's Day. So this is super easy and lovely card. So I hope this all cards you like it. I'll share the link in the description because I have already shared the video of this and in the cards also. So please do comment me about this video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.